Hey guys, Min here. Welcome back to your House Fitness. Today we're going to go over a staggered stance deadlift. There are many ways to do a staggered stance deadlift. We're going to be doing it with a barbell, which takes away some variations. You may have seen some, such as like kickstand. But today, especially because we're doing it with a barbell, I don't want to drop this bar on my shin. I'm going to do it in another version where I have a full flat foot and then I'm on my toe on my back leg. When you're in this position here, I usually use my heels and my toes to align me. The front foot, I just have it in a normal deadlift stance, okay? This back foot, which will be my left, I'm going to slide my balls of my foot to where my heel is. So if I turn towards you, I think you guys could be able to see this. My heel and toes are lined up and they're on the same line. The next thing I want is symmetry between my knees and my hips. So even though I'm in a kickstand position, I don't want to be too turned away or too turned inwards because then I won't have a neutral pull. It's going to be very unbalanced. The main thing to also consider is the leg in front is going to do most of the work now. The back leg is just like a tripod. It's there to keep you stable. Think of a split squat or a lunge if that makes it easier as well. That's kind of how I treat these stagger stance exercises. So I'm here. My hips are under me. My foot is going to be flat on this one. I'm going to slide this back until it's lined up with my heels and I'm on the balls of my foot. Symmetry between my knees and my hips. From here on out, it's just a deadlift. I'm going to take a deep breath hip hinge. When I get to my knees, I use my quads by bending. And now, when I pull, I'm going to feel a really big deficit towards this direction. That's because this leg is not going to be very strong, and my core is going to work a lot harder to keep me on this side. So I'm going to even get my posture more on my right leg. I'm going to grip tight, core brace, drive up, and I'm going to end right at my hips, just like a normal deadlift, which is really sweet about this exercise. When you bring it down, glide it on your right shin, not so much on your left. But once it gets to your knees, you ride up both your thighs. One more. Drive your legs, extend your hips forward. Just like so. Now once you're done, you can switch your legs around. Thank you guys for joining us today. See you on the next one.